Hello guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to be making a live withdrawal about this new website. But before I go ahead to do that, guys, this is the registration page. So when you click the link down below the description box of this video, you are going to arrive the very first link in the description box of this video. When you click on it, you're going to arrive on this page. So what you just do here is to input your email address here. Now input your password, confirm the password, your transaction password, which should be different from your login password. Now leave the invitation code you find there. Now click on register when you are done inputting all these details. Since I've already registered in this site, I'm just going to log into the account by clicking on this very place right now. I already have my details saved here, so I'm just going to click on login. Login success. Alright guys, so on this very page, let's quickly look at, when you register here, guys, when you register here, you are given 35 USDT, 35 USDT, that is $35. So here, I was given 35 USDT after registration and plus $10 added to it. That's making it a total of $45. So I'm going to be performing a task right now. I'm going to be performing some tasks and place a live withdrawal before I continue with a few things I want to explain in this video. So to perform a task in this site, you will have to click on this home page right here, the very first icon down below here. So when you click on this, you click on VIP, on VIP 1, that is whichever VIP. For me, I'm clicking on VIP 1 because that is the one that I'm eligible to perform. So if you purchase the one of VIP 2, you click on VIP 2. If you purchase the one of VIP 3 or VIP 4, whichever VIP you purchase, you click on it. So for me, I'll be clicking on VIP 1. Okay. So guys, once you click on the VIP, whichever VIP you click on, it will take you to the next page. It will take you to this very page. So I'm just going to click on any of them. Now click on submit. Payment successful. So I'm going to be performing like 5 tasks right here in this video. I'm going to be performing 5 tasks. So I'm going to go back again to perform the next task. So I'll click on this VIP 1 again. So guys, the thing is appearing to be kind of slow, but I'm not going to be performing all the tasks. I'm not going to be performing all the tasks in this. I'm not going to be showing you all the tasks. I'm going to perform all the tasks, but I'm not going to show you guys all the process while performing all the tasks, so that I will not have to make the video to be too long. So I'll click on the next one here. I'll click on submit. Okay, set parameter error. Okay, let me go back again to click on the next one. So let me click on any of these again. Submit. Why is it showing parameter error? I wouldn't want this to be too long. So let me do this again. Let me start again by clicking on the VIP 1. So guys, I'm not gonna make the video to be too long, so I'm going to be cutting some process anyway. Okay, well, so guys, in case you encounter something like this, when I clicked on some of the tasks, the second and the third one I clicked on said parameter error. So for those tasks that were not completed, as you can see, they are aligned here on this task. When you click the second icon down below here, you're going to see all of them on this place. So just click on each of them, each and every single one of them. Click on the second one, payment successful. Now click on the third one, payment successful. That is it. Click on the fourth one, payment successful. So let me see if I've gotten up to the amount I'm supposed to get for today. So guys, as you can see, my daily profit is already 1.65. Remember, $35 registration bonus, $10 funded. That made it $45. And what I have here now is $46.65. That is $1.65 daily profit. So my profit for this is already completed. I hope you guys understood how to perform the task. So once you click on each of those VIPs here, so whichever one you funded, if it's VIP2, you click on VIP2. Now follow the instructions on how I did it on the video. If it says parameter error, you come to this place and click on the task and start selecting each and every one of them again to complete them, just the way I just did it right now. If you find it difficult, you can leave your comment down in the comment section of this video, or join my Telegram group so that I can put you through the way I can. I am not the owner of this website. I'm not the owner of the company, but I can put you through on how to navigate the site. I hope that is well understood, guys. So now I'm going to be placing a live withdrawal right now on this page. When you click this icon below here, now I'm going to be clicking on withdraw on this very page. Let me make this withdrawal before I explain one more or two or a few things I want to explain in this video. So I'll click on submit because I'm going to be adding my USDT wallet address here. I'm going to be adding my wallet address right here. Add withdrawal method, you click on it. Now on this page, I'm asked to input my USDT TRC20 wallet address. So let me quickly go to Binance right now and copy my USDT TRC20 wallet address from Binance right now. So here in Binance, I'm going to be selecting TRC20, USDT TRC20. Okay, so as you can see, this is USDT and this is TRC20. So I'm just going to tap on this place to have it copied to my clipboard. Wallet address copied. So I go back to the site right now and paste this, my USDT TRC20 wallet address, in this website and withdraw my money right now since I've performed my task already. Okay, so right here I'm going to input my transaction password, but I'm gonna make it private, guys, because this is a public video, so I'm going to make it private. So having input my transaction password, I will click on submit to have it submitted. Success. So right now I'm going back to the same withdrawal page in order to now place withdrawal, because what I just did now is to add my wallet address to this my account right now. So I'm just going to input right now. As you can see, the available amount that I can withdraw right now is 1.65 USDT. So I'm just going to input the same amount right here and type in 1.65 and input my transaction password here, and I'm going to make it private, guys. So having done that, having input my transaction password, I'm going to select withdrawal method right here by clicking on this arrow here. So you select this, that's same the wallet address you binded, you have to select it and now click on submit. Application for withdrawal successful. I hope you guys saw it. So in the next few minutes, this money, before I conclude this video, this money is going to reflect in Binance. So let me quickly show you guys the various or the different VIP packages, the VIP levels in this website, so that you will know which one you can go for. So for the list of them here is the VIP one, which is my current status. And if you found 10 USDT added to the 35 USDT you are giving, that makes it a total of 45 USDT, and you'll be able to purchase the VIP one with 45 USDT. So for the VIP2, you are funding 135, sorry, you are funding 80 USDT. You are funding 80 USDT for the VIP2, and your daily profit is 4.50 USDT, and your monthly profit is 135 USDT. That is it for here. So for the VIP3, you're funding 180 USDT. That is total of the 180 USDT includes the 35 USDT you are giving. Okay, so you are purchasing it at 180 USDT, and that includes the 35 USDT that you are giving. So for the next one here, you have to enter it with 380 USDT. You have to purchase it with 380 USDT, which also includes the 35 USDT that you are giving. Okay, so instead of purchasing 380 USDT, you have to minus 35 USDT and now fund the remaining one and make it up and purchase this package. I hope you guys understood it. So once you register, you are giving 35 USDT. So add up something to it in order to purchase whichever VIP level that you want to purchase. So just come to this page and go through it and understand every single thing that is written here. Just understand whichever package you want to go for. It's very simple to do that. So when you refer people, you also earn some people when you build your team. So let's click on the team here, the third icon down below here. So on this page, you just tap on this to have this copied to your clipboard. You have it copied to your clipboard. That is your referral link. You now go ahead and share it in all your social softwares, your Facebook, your Instagram, your WhatsApp groups, and all that. Whichever group where you are permitted to share links, you can go ahead and share these links there. Okay, so when you refer friends, you have your referral commissions, and you're earning up to 12% from your direct referrals when they fund their accounts, and for your second generation referrals, when those people refer others, you also earn a good commission also. So for your second generation referrals, you're earning 3% and 3% of the deposit amount, and for your third generation referrals, you're earning 2% of the deposit amount. But the fourth generation referrals gives you 12%. That's a whooping amount. 12%, a whole 12% of the deposit amount. That's good, guys. So you can refer your friends and make some money from this site. So guys, let's quickly go to Binance and see if this money that I deposited, that I withdrew, if this money that I just withdrew now from this platform has actually reflected in Binance. So let's quickly take a look at Binance right now and see if this money has landed in Binance right now. So guys, as you can see, the deposit of USDT is completed 3 minutes ago. As you can see, this very first one here. So let me click on this arrow. Let's have some details about it here. So 1.65 USDT is completed. The deposit is completed. As you can see, this money has actually reflected in Binance right now. All right, guys. So in this platform, for you to get registered, you just click the very first link down there in the description box of this video to sign up right now. Please do note, I am not a financial advisor. Take notes, I am not a financial advisor. Do your own research, because I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions in this site. This is just the disclaimer I give in all my videos, and this very one won't be an exception, guys. If you have any questions or comments about this, you can leave your comments down there in the comment section of this video. I reply every single comment that I see there. So go down there and drop your comments and wait for my reply. Thank you guys for watching, and I would love to see you guys in the next one. And one more thing, please do note, this is automatic deposit, automatic withdrawal, and they withdraw 247. Okay, and okay, that's fine. There is nothing much I want to talk about again. So see you guys on the next one, guys, and do have a great time. Enjoy yourself.